guys to my YouTube channel. Let's learn how to reduce data consumption or minimize data consumption on your Windows 11. So the first step, I'll be giving you 4 valid steps on how to do this, and I would just like you to like and subscribe to my channel and like on this video and share to your friends too. So first of all, make sure you're connected to your internet, and this is the device I actually want to reduce data consumption of. So I'm going to click on this information or properties button here, then it's going to take me straight to my Wi-Fi properties. So the first step to do here is to turn off metered connection. So turn on metered connection is the first way to do this. So just go ahead here and toggle this button on. So turning on metered connection is the first step. So first step is turning this on. So this is actually going to make some apps work differently to reduce data usage. So this is the first step. So the second step to do this is to go back to your network and internet and click on the data usage. So you can see my data usage here 9.55 gigabytes from the last 30 days. So the next thing to do is to enter a limit. So just click on enter limit. So I'm going to come here to set this to unlimited. So don't forget unlimited, set this to unlimited and click on save. So this is the second step. So the first step is metered connection. The second step is setting a limit. So I'm going to go to close this. The third step is in your settings app. So open your settings app and go ahead to your Windows update. So here my Windows update. What I just have to do here is to pause my update. So you can see I've paused my update here. I've paused my update here. Then the last step is to open your service app. So come and search for service. So service app. I'm going to click on open service app. Then the next thing to do here is to locate your Windows update. So I'm going to locate my Windows update. So I'm tapping on this and you are seeing enable detection, download and installation of updates for Windows and other programs. So and you can see it's running here in the background. So I have to right click on this and click on stop. So as you can see, Windows is attempting to stop. So you can see now that my Windows update is stopped. And you can either decide to pause, start, or stop. So these are the 3 basic ways you can use to stop Windows 11 from high data consumption. So if you found this video very helpful or important, like and subscribe and share. Thank you very much.